Ooh la la! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. On my own today, at the moment anyway. Everybody's going to come in later on. What I was going to do today was cook spaghetti meatballs. Classic recipe, but I did your lasagna the other day, and lasagna and meatballs and the tomato sauce and the spaghetti and the pasta, it's all the same. And what I don't want to do is bore you guys to death with the same stuff over and over and over again. Okay, so we're going to do something different today. I'm going to show you how to make one of my homemade strawberry milkshakes / smoothie with real fruit and real bits and pieces inside, not just a bit of powder or a bit of juice inside a glass and pour milk on, stir and drink. No, I don't do it that way. Now, as you can see right in front of the camera, is this huge, humongous blender. Good blender. Now, what I've been using for my drinks is this one. Stay right there. Okay, get it down for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I've been meaning to show you guys this before. I throw it. Okay, this guy here. This is what I've been using. There you go, one of those. Russell Hobbs. 3 speed. Press a button. Yeah. What a load of old crap. Okay. Good one. Detachable. Put it off. Now you can wash this under the sink, under the tap, wash it in your washing up bowl, or stick it in a dishwasher. It really doesn't make any difference, but what these people don't tell you is what happens with these. Okay? Over the course of time, water goes into them holes, goes all the way down the shaft, and then eventually sits in here. You can't get it out, no matter how much you dry it. So after a short amount of time, when you put that in like that, and you go, and you spin, inside here, you get a circle of dirty, rusty, gungy water that's been seeping down from here and coming out of there. I went to do this the other day for you guys, and for myself, obviously, as I'm drinking it, and that's exactly what happened. Oh my God. So I went out, purchased one of these. No, they're all expensive. They're all like 15, 20 quid a piece. Oh please. Alright, so didn't get one of these. Even if I do, the same thing's going to happen again, so that's no good to me. In the bin. There you go. Straight in the bin. So, I went out, bought one of these. The one I bought originally was smaller. Listen guys, $11.99. This huge thing here is cheaper than one of them. So I went and bought it. Goes all the way to Argos, Dagenham, buys it, all the way back home again, plugs it in, turns it on, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Dead as a doornail, completely broken. Thanks a lot, Argos, Dagenham. To get in my car, go all the way back. Of course, because that was an ordered item, and I ordered it the day before for it to come in the morning, they didn't have another one to give me as a replacement. So, I had to go at the manager, wouldn't have it, and forced me to pay another £5 for $16.99 for this one. Okay, alright. So I'm forced to pay another £5. Okay, I can deal with that. $16.99. Is that good or bad? I don't know, because I haven't used it. You're my guinea pig today, because this is the first time I'm going to use this since I bought it. Okay, but let me warn you in advance that when this does go on, it sounds like 747 taking off. Just like that one did. Okay, so it's going to be pretty loud, so let me warn you in advance. Okay, enough of the boring crap. Let's get on with it. Okay, you're at home, you've got this first, the milks, the teas, the coffees, whatever you drink, likes to tickle your pickle and wave your flag, doesn't do you any good, just like me. So, thinking around one day, what can I do? Looked in my fridge, see what I had, I thought, milkshake, Love the McDonald's ones, but how thick? Grab hold of that straw, like sucking on a bowl plaster, innit? Can't be doing with that anyway. So I've had enough of that, and this is how I do mine. Okay, these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need either a hand whisk, as I've just thrown away, or one of these. You're going to need, obviously, for a milkshake, you're going to need milk, and milkshake. I use Nesquik Strawberry Milkshake. This has been going since I was a kid. This guy, this stuff here, powdered stuff, and the juicy stuff you get in the bottle. Beautiful. Can't beat Nesquik for a ready-made milkshake. Okay, so thanks Nesquik. Good advertisement there for Nesquik. Want a nice milkshake, strawberry, banana, chocolate. Oh, It's quick. Glass of milk, 2 spoonfuls, stir, guzzle, enjoy. I like to take it a little bit further, so this is what I'm going to do today. Okay, you're going to need milk, glass, milkshake. Now to those 2 things of milk and milkshake, I'm going to add the following. Oh my god, fresh strawberries. Guy next door is growing them out in his garden. Mark, yeah, quick grab these. Gives me an handful of fresh strawberries picked straight off the tree. So these are hours old. Done. Let's have a look around in my fridge. What else can I put in it? Strawberry yoghurt. There's a strawberry yoghurt. So the back strawberry, sorry, let me get it right. Strawberry fromage frais. Strawberry fromage frais. Strawberries. Done a chicken corn the other day. Oh my god, it was delicious. Gonna cook that for you. You're gonna see how I make it. Gonna list all the ingredients. We're gonna cook it together, but you gotta cook it yourself. It's absolutely mouth-watering. So from that, I had some left over. Natural yogurt. Here's natural yogurt. Yeah, natural yogurt. And then last but not least, vanilla ice cream. Gianni's soft scoop. Yeah, sure it's soft scoop. Okay, you need a Kango to cut through this stuff. Phil, soft scoop. Just get it out of the freezer. Ain't no soft scoop to me, so we're going to try and do that in a minute. Okay, so once again, milk, milkshake, glass, ice cream, strawberry, fromage frais, yoghurt. This is what we're going to do. You always start off, let's take this off. Alright, you've got a little cap here, which you can't even get off, so that's a good start. I'm not being bothered with that, so set that off. There you go, little cap. Okay, to that, it's been washed out obviously. 200 millilitres, okay? 200 millilitres of milk only. Don't make no difference what milk it is, skimmed, semi-skimmed, orange, green, blue, brown, pink or black. Okay? Milk's milk. Okay? 200. If you want low-fat milk, go and get it. Or better still, to save yourself money going out and buying the crap with the green thing on the top or the orange thing on the top, just water this down. If you want semi-skimmed milk, 200 millilitres of this milk, 100 millilitres of water. Gives you 300 millilitres of milk. It's been watered down and it's now half the fat. Easy. 200, okay? So we're going to go up to 200. Now, unfortunately, this thing starts from 500, which doesn't help people like me. So I'm going to go halfway up towards 500. I would say that's probably maybe 250, yeah? Done. Excuse me. Stop smoking. Okay, that's that. Next thing we're going to do, we get a spoon. I normally do this on my own right about now between 12 and 1 when I get a little bit peckish. Keep the pork down. Okay, there's my glass. Right, next thing we're going to do, we're going to tip all this in. Strawberry fromage frais. Crap one, cheap one, no worries. Let's put that in like that. Put all that in. Yum. Okay. Okay, let's put all that in. Lovely jubbly. Done. Give that a lid. Rinse my spoon off because I need that. I'm going to dry that spoon over here. I need that for my milkshake in a minute. Okay. Get a bigger spoon. Because next thing we're going to do is take this lid off. Okay. Next thing I'm going to use, live yogurt. Live yogurt. And grab all of that. Looks like a spoonful of that. There you go. Spoonful of that. Straight in. No messing around. No preparing this, no preparing that, no, oh, get my fingernails dirty. I can't do anything with it, you know what I mean? Put that in now, that's it. Okay, let me wipe that spoon, because now we're going to go in. Vanilla ice cream. You can do strawberry ice cream if you want, I'll do vanilla. Okay, 1 scoop, 2 scoop. That's it, don't need any more. Okay. Now this is going to be ice cold from the ice cream, so you don't need any ice cubes either, I used to put them in. Okay, ice cream. Okay, next thing, you can put these in any order you want, it doesn't make a difference. 2 of these, so we go 1, 2. Done. Okay, and last but not least, which is the main ingredient to a strawberry milkshake, is strawberries. Now, with these strawberries you can put in however many you want. But obviously, make sure that you cut the tops off. Because you don't want that green crap inside, do you? So, grab hold, stick loads of them in. Now I'm going to go straight in, hole 1. Let's do it. 2. I normally do about 6. 3. These are actually pretty small, so we're going to do some more. 3. 4. 5. 6. Let's do 8 because I'm greedy. Big one now, 8. Big one now, 9. Don't tell anybody. Okay, that is it. That's it. So let's go over it one more time. Milk, powdered milkshake, fromage frais strawberry, natural yogurt, tasteless or put juice with that, ice cream, strawberries in a blender. Are you ready? Okay. Put that on there like that. Like I said, bear with me, I never used this before. Got to click into place. Excuse me, put the lid back on, turn it sideways. Okay, now I would advise you to turn your sound down or go. And put your fingers in your ears because this is loud. You're not going to need to blast it for very long. All you're doing now is just mixing the ingredients and cutting up the strawberries. So listen, not going to be for very long. Remember, hold your ears. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Turn it off just to make sure. Quick blast. 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 Sounds like I'm on a motorbike, doesn't it? That's it. Take your top off. Take your cap off. Take your lid off. And there you got it. Okay? And there you have it. Watch this. Fresh. Let me put it back here so you can see it. Fresh, homemade, thick, beautiful, fresh strawberry milkshake. Probably get a couple of glasses out of that glass. Oh, tall glass. Beautiful. Beautiful, frothy strawberry milkshake. Oh my god. Absolutely delicious. Okay? That's how I make my homemade strawberry milkshakes. Try it. See if you like it. See if you don't. Mix up the varieties. Put in what you want to put in. Write down how you make your strawberry milkshakes or your smoothies. Tell me what you think. Have a go. Cost you next to nothing. Leftovers out the fridge, or for the sake of whatever you've got in your freezer, whatever you've got sitting over there, whatever. Have a go. Have a go. Do a banana one. I've done bananas before, done exactly the same thing here. Ice cream, milk, 2 bananas, banana Nesquik milkshake. Lovely. I've even used no nourishment in the cans. You buy nourishment in the cans? Yeah, I've even used that, pour that in as well. Blender, milk, couple of bananas. Bellissimo. Okay, so there you go. Homemade strawberry milkshake made with fresh fruit. Okay, done. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Take care. I don't know what I'm going to be doing next time. Let me have a look on my menu. Okay, I've got homemade spaghetti meatballs today, like I said I was going to do. I've got homemade pita pockets tomorrow. Not sure about that. Probably won't see me for a while now. I suppose I could show you the homemade pita pockets, but we'll try anyway. We'll see what happens. We'll get the kids in, we'll sort it out, and I'll try and show you my homemade pita pockets. Homemade pita pockets with ham, bacon, cheese, sweet corn, and soft cheese. Soft cheese mozzarella. Oh my god, delish. Okay, won't bore you any longer. Take care. See you later. Bye. 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 Bye.